to your craft is obviously very important, man, because I feel लाइफ में हर चीज़ आती जाती रहेगी. ये सीरियल आएगा चले जाएगा, लोग आएंगे चले जाएंगे, रिलेशनशिप्स, लोग, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, बिजनेस वगैरह.
What does it take to be an actor and survive in Mumbai?
Takes a lot, man. Takes a lot of like savings, takes a lot of money. You need to come with like a backup. I would not recommend anybody to come to Bombay without having a financial backup, because this is one of the most competitive and the most toughest industries to break into, man. Like, I also have lost the count of number of auditions that I've given in the last 3 years or 4 years of being in Bombay, man. And I mean, I don't like to use the word struggle. A lot of people, a lot of actors, you know, they refer to themselves or other people as strugglers. I think struggling is a struggle. A struggler is a very negative word.
Hustler, huh?
Hustler, and also it's your job, man. It's your job to go out and hustle, and like you hustle because you want to earn like money from here and there also. Like I would hustle, I would do like my voiceovers, my assistant direction, like taking up other projects as like an AD or something like that. So वो hustle तो करना ही पड़ता है, because until unless you get something meaty and substantial in your life to look forward to and work on for the next whatever. But other than that, dude, I mean, मुझे तो लगता है कि बॉम्बे में जो actors है ना, वो warriors है, वो योद्धा हैं यार. Like the kind of,
क्या बात है?
Dude, seriously यार, the kind of hard work that they have gone through, like, I mean, I don't want to brag about myself, but there have been days when I didn't know anybody, I have gone from door to door of a casting director, production house to production house, stood in lines, waited for my turn for like 3 hours, 4 hours, not eaten food, just waiting out there to go deliver my part in front of the camera and get done with the audition. And पहले 1 साल तो बेस बनाने में लग जाता है, लोगों को जानने में लग जाता है, नेटवर्किंग में लग जाता है, समझने में लग जाता है कि ये इंडस्ट्री काम कैसे करती है और यहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है यार. And yeah, and when like your moment comes, you have to be ready for it. You mean, dude, for me it's very simple. An actor needs a certain amount of discipline. He needs to work hard, and he also needs luck. हमारी इंडस्ट्री में ना क्या होता है यार, हार्ड वर्क यहाँ से चलना शुरू करता है, लक ना यहाँ से चलना शुरू करता है, और वो एक पॉइंट आता है जब वो मिलता है. एंड वो मिलता है ना, तो उस दिन पे तुम्हारा काम ये है कि तुम रेडी रहो, एंड यू लाइक इट्स मेक इट और ब्रेक इट, मैन. दैट्स लाइक योर चांस. बॉम्बे सबको चांसेस मिलता है, गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी सबको मिलती है. इट्स अप टू यू हाउ रेडी यू आर एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. And so I mean, it's been tough, but I've always like that shift, like, you know, I had this little moment of realization where a shift of perspective happened. So earlier when I would approach an audition and go there, I would go with the intention of कि यार ये मुझे चाहिए, I need this job, I need this ad, I need this, it's a big brand. Now and then a change of perspective shift happened, and I was like, now I'm not going in there to be desperate enough to get it. I'm going out there to just practice my craft and show off and come back and do my thing and learn something out of it and come back. And जिस दिन से मैंने वो change किया ना यार, उस दिन के next day के बाद से मैं, you know, our industry is full of 99.9% rejections. Like I get rejected. I used to get rejected on a daily basis at least 4 to 5 times. Now what can that do to your personal morale mindset, and your self-esteem and your confidence in life? I was like, no man, like rejections are a part of my industry. And like once Sumit Vyas said in a TEDx interview, he said, dude, the only thing that it takes here is persistence. So be persistent and you'll get there. And yeah man, so I was like, you know, auditions became like my practice space. I would go out there and be like, this is like rehearsal and practice for me. This is practice for me to be able to train in my craft and get better at it. And like, you know, I started looking at it as my training ground. And since that day, I was a much happier person. I was like, yeah, cool, man. I get to practice my craft every day. I get to be like a lawyer. I get to be like a secret agent. I get to be a doctor. I get to be like a pati or something or the other. तो मतलब बड़ा मजा आता है वो नए characters रोज करने में बड़ा मजा आता है. And this is one of the happy bits about like being a creator, like being an actor. You get to live so many lives, man, and that's something that I really enjoy about my profession.
And I you know, it's quite aspirational to live a life like that, I'm sure. And as you said, what rejections can do to you and your mindset, and hence ये सही बात है कि यार हर एक्टर जो बॉम्बे में आता है वो एक योद्धा माइंडसेट लेके आता है.
बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि वरना you can't survive. It's not a battle, it's a war. And you know, I've always had this conversation with you, and such a deeply rooted person when it comes to staying true to your craft, right? Because we were also just discussing a while ago about how acting in certain projects, if it's like a volume driven activity you're involved in, like for example in a web series or a TV series which has like hundreds of episodes and you know months for your shooting for 20 days a week of a month, 20 days a month you're shooting for months, 20 days a month you're shooting for months, right? You're right. Okay. So I mean it can take a toll on you, right? And do you feel that an aspiring actor who comes to Bombay will always have, I'm saying a true actor, not a star sort of a person who wants to become a star, but the one who wants to become an actor, right? An aspirational actor who comes to Bombay comes with all these values, ethics, morals and idealism, and when you end up getting a project which makes sense in a financial perspective, as growing a brand perspective and so on and so forth, you have to take up something that becomes a mechanical job sort of a profile, right? Which initially was a creative profile. You wanted to work a lot on every dialogue, every look. Then now everything has become a template and you just have to play to the tunes because आधे घंटे का तेरा shot है, उसके बाद दूसरे का आने वाला है. So how does that take a toll? How does that work? Like, what is your personal perspective on that?
Yeah, so basically like my approach has always been towards acting is that I would do whatever comes my way. Like I told you, like I work as an actor, anchor, voiceover artist, assistant actor, whatever comes my way. And talking about like, you know how like television, like doing television is obviously like a daily job. It's like you're 7 to 7, you're going, you're doing your scenes, you're getting a script right there, then and there, you memorize it, you deliver, you come back. It's like वो थोड़ा सा छापने वाला काम होता है उसमें because it's a daily, so it has to be like shot every day, like per episode. It can get monotonous if you're doing it for a very long time, like you're stuck in a character for 1 year. You're missing out on, you're working 20 days a month, you're missing out on a lot of other opportunities. So that is like the downside of it, I would say, working in television, because you don't get a lot of chances and opportunities to work on other and expand and do other roles and other things. It sort of also limits you to one role, which is very irritating for me as an actor also. Like I would like to work on a project for 6 months and move on and get into like on next thing, whatever's waiting for me in life. So yeah, man, like, but also television gives you its fan following, it gives you the recognition, it gives you the money. There's a lot of money involved in television. And financially, agar kisi ko, matlab, like, these are also choices you also make. And but like my thing has never been that I've been so picky about, oh, I want to do this and I don't want to do this or this and that. I've been like, whatever comes my way, man, I'm going to do this. Be it television मिल रहा है तो ठीक है, OTT मिल रहा है ठीक है, web series मिल रही है वो ठीक है. हाँ, but yeah, I would, but I definitely don't want to limit myself to television. I want to like work with a lot of good directors in the industry, dude. I want to work with Anurag Kashyap, Anubhav Sinha, Zoya Akhtar. I love their work, and yeah, so that's the future planning. But to answer your question, like in a short thing, it gets monotonous. It sometimes also limits you creatively. But as an actor, your job is to always go on set and identify something with the character and bring out something new or explore or bring out another side or maybe like discover something that you also didn't know about the character. That's what makes your job more fun. And then fun for you and engaging for you. फिर तुम भी बोर नहीं होगे अगर तुम उसको वो करोगे. And being true is very important, man, because I feel लाइफ में हर चीज़ आती जाती रहेगी. ये सीरियल आएगा चले जाएगा, लोग आएंगे चले जाएंगे, रिलेशनशिप्स, लोग, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, बिजनेस वगैरह बहुत कुछ आता जाता रहेगा यार. बट एन आर्टिस्ट कैन ओनली होल्ड ऑन टू हिज क्राफ्ट. लाइक यू आर डूइंग दिस पॉडकास्ट राइट नाउ, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी मनी आउट ऑफ इट, यू आर नॉट मेकिंग, यू आर डूइंग दिस फॉर द sheer passion because like this is also you're working on your craft at the moment. You're also like, you know,
improving
like,
my skill set,
improving yourself, evolving, all of this. You're doing this and you're doing this because you love this and this is what you know. तो वही सीन है यार. Like you find and like you invent ways of just making it more engaging, whatever you're doing in life.